How do I get the cinematic look for the pictures I take with my Canon EOS? Yesterday I was at an event in Munich and the photographer who was there had a Canon R5 Mark II, which I think currently is basically the best photography camera from the R series from Canon. I also took a look at his lens and I think it was a 24 or 28 millimeters. But because this was not cropped, it therefore is about the focal length of the human eye. I can't exactly remember what his maximum aperture was, but judging by the look of the pictures, which looked incredible, cinematic, with lots of bokeh, it's a look I want in my pictures. But I cannot really have unless I take my 50mm, which also has a maximum aperture of 1.8. With the Canon EOS M50 I previously had, I even had a speed booster, which I think effectively brought it down to 1.4 or even 1.2. But at 1.2 or 1.4, especially since I also, partially at least, shoot for stock, the focus area, or rather the focus depth, is often just so small that much of the picture is kind of out of focus. And also now, again, I have a DSLR, so I recently got the 80D and I'm currently in the process of selling my M50. So the answer, I think, to how to get the cinematic look is mostly the maximum aperture. I previously read that it also makes a little bit of a difference if one shoots full frame compared to APS-C, but compared to the effect of a really wide maximum aperture, I think it might be negligible. But